Morning, y'all. It is 0300 hours, or just about there. So for all the welders and ironworkers, the one that wanted to be welders and ironworkers, I've had apprentices and students say that they couldn't make it because they didn't get enough sleep, or they didn't get any sleep last night, blah, 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 excuses. Unacceptable. I got no sleep last night for multiple reasons. That doesn't matter. You get to work. I've had quite a few sleepless nights before. Suck it up. You don't get to sleep in. If you don't show up, whole job site can be shut down. Thousands, hundreds of thousands, if not millions are riding on the line if you don't show up. Which means you're fired. Nobody wants you. They want someone that wants to be there. If you haven't slept in days, you'll still show up. Been there, done that. Does it suck? Yeah, it does. Is it enjoyable? No, it's not. But you gotta do it. If someone comes to the job site and says they're tired and they can't do stuff, I don't want them. Sure, will I bitch and bellyache about being tired? Yeah, everybody does. Because if you're working 12, 14 hours a day, you gripe about it. It's what everyone does. But if you can't handle a 22-hour shift, sleeping for a couple hours, and then getting to another 14-hour shift afterwards, don't do it. You gotta be able to handle it. Granted, it's not fun. You'll enjoy the money later. It's a nice paycheck. But no more excuses. Sick and tired of those. Different fields, not even just construction. I have friends that work different shifts, working multiple shifts, whatnot. They suck it up, they get through it. I don't know what to tell y'all that are just sitting around armchair welders. You can do this, you can do that, but you need your 12 hours of beauty sleep. I don't count that. It's raining again. No sleep. Get to it. I don't care if you had this or that happen. You gotta be working. If it's dangerous for you, sleep a little bit in your truck. Sleep a little bit by the gang box. Get a little cover so you're not in the rain. Take a 5-10 minute nap. You'll be good for about another 5 hours. Take another 5-10 minute nap. Just keep doing that. You can do that for days. I've done it to where I didn't shower for days. I came home, slept on the floor for a couple hours. I was back up at it. Slept in the truck. Slept on the job site. Bunch of 2x4s, like a feather bed to me. I was joyous right there. I was happy to just lay down a couple days of no sleep. So many of the younger folks, they just don't understand. You gotta be working. You can't just be having 8 hours, 10 hours, 10 hours. I ain't never had 10 hours sleep. Must be nice. 8 hours, I don't ever get that. 6 hours to 5 hours. I get closer to 5 hours. 4 or 5 hours. 6 hours. I'd be happy just to get that in one day. Not even a row. I wouldn't even take it in a row, just in one day. But take a little naps on job site. Before you drive home, take a little nap in your truck. Be safe on the road. I had long shifts. Driving home, the straight stretches of freeways seem like they're the windiest mountain roads I've ever been on. I was so tired. It's hard just to stay on the freeway. Forget staying in the lane. Just staying on the freeway was a trip. Found out, instead of going straight home, I circled downtown Los Angeles for a while. I don't know how many times I went around. Don't do that. Sleep in your truck if you have to. Find a motel. Just snooze, get back to work. Just stay safe on the road, stay safe on the job site. If you're that tired, clunk out. Just 5-10 minutes, a little cat nap. You'll be good to go. Alright, so for all y'all not sleeping, get to work. We're all sucking it up. We're all gonna do it. Rain or shine. No shine lately, just rain. That's fine. There's been ice lately on construction sites around here. Especially that blizzard thing we had going a while back. Ice on the beams. Stay safe on those. Water on the beams. They get slipped real quick like. Alright. That's the message for today. Just cat naps and don't whine about no sleep. If you're in the field and you want to be serious about it, it's going to happen. Alright. Stay safe on the sites, y'all.